Wait yan sa Ate Julia niya.
You're so arte! Tsaka excited kami niya. Sabi niya sa akin this morning. Say good morning, guys. Good morning, Mom, sis.
Arish, how are you, my darling?
Tell them this is your first time on TV.
This is my first time in TV.
How does it feel?
Good.
You feel good, Arish? Where's mommy?
I don't know.
Jules, bakit Erich ang name ni Erich? May
Why?
connection ba ito sa friend niyo si Erich?
Hindi actually. Bakit? Why is your name Erich, babe? It is the mix of your...
Shortcut of my...
Okay. I don't want to share that anymore. Erich actually was my... Kinakabahan ako. Lalo na kay Marge. Erich, may pinagdugtong-dugtong lang ng pangalan. So my mom came up with it, right, babe? Yeah.
Ang bagay na bagay rin. Very beautiful. Erich, Tita Carla has a question for you. Tita Carla's here, Erich. Oh, I've been to your house. You remember me? Hindi niya na maalala. Kasi payat pa ako na. Wow! Kala niyo parang last year lang yun. Ano? Paniwala doon
Hindi, payat ka na ngayon, Mamshi.
Okay, Erich, we will show you some photos of your Ate Julia, okay? And then we will read, can you read the caption for us? Okay, we will show you some photos here.
Okay.
Wow, ang linaw. Here, ma.
Can you read it out?
My source of energy, strength, and light.
Oh, hindi mo basta nito.
Did you see that post? Not yet.
This one, can you tell us something about this photo?
Where were you in that photo?
Sakit ng ulo ko.
In the beach.
In the beach.
Why do you love going to the beach, right? That's why you're
Yes.
always in the beach? Do you know why I said that?
No.
No, you don't know why I said that?
Oo.
You are my source of energy, strength, and light. It
Parang-
means you make my life so much better.
What do you feel, Erich? That your ate feel that to you?
Good.
Natatawa niya kasi maintindihan. Yung English mo kaya good lang sana. Sasabihin, good?
Nung dumating si Erich, paano nabago ang takbo ng buhay ninyo?
Everything changed, but for the better. Because of Erich, our family got closer. And then, every time we go home, there's something to be excited about. Tapos, parang bigla, ako personally, parang bigla akong nagkaroon ng hope. At saka ng light. You bring so much light to my life.
You are my sunshine.
Yeah. Just,
Erich, can you describe Ate Julia as a sister? Oo. Why do you love Ate Julia?
Because he's the best, and we played together so much time.
Oy. Ba't parang natatakot sa akin si Erich?
Hindi, parang naiiyak.
Kahit naman sino lang.
Hoy!
Erich, don't be afraid. I'm not a dinosaur.
silly!
Sabi niya, gap!
Alam mo, sa ngipin ko nga ako kami. Sabi lang agad yung ngipin ko. Julia? Julia? Si Erich pala. Ginawang baby si Julia. Erich, what can you share about your ate that we don't know in the house? Oh!
It's okay to tell them my secrets.
What?
Is she a strict ate?
No?
Is she... love singing?
Yeah.
Wow. Dancing, do you dance together?
Yes.
nilalaro niyo palagi? What do you play? Dolls ba?
They're asking you, Bunny, what are things you can share about me that people don't know? Like, what's a secret? Share a secret.
Like we play Nintendo.
Nintendo what? Nintendo?
No Switch.
Yes.
Super Mario.
And then?
Tell them, what time do I get home? What time do I get home? I get home when you leave for school.
Cool.
Oh, because nagde-taping si Ate Julia.
Yeah, I leave so quick.
Oh. Do you miss Ate Julia sometimes? How miss you are. Na-miss ko na yung...
Ay, baka mamaya kausap niya nanay niya, hindi na siya mag-English sa'yo.
Hindi, na-miss ko kasi yung school ko dati, hindi ko na alam paano magiging... How much do you miss your Ate Julie every time she wore?
So much.
So much.
Yeah, I wanted to play with her Nintendo, but I can't find it.
Oh. Ay, nalungkot siya, Jules. Sabi niya, you want to play? Me to play you? Hindi na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Kaya na mag-English.
Hindi mo na kaya, ayaw mo tumigil.
I think I have to take out the side of the Nintendo.
Oh, okay.
Aside from playing Nintendo, what else do you like doing with ate? What about sports? Do you swim together? You play something?
Painting.
Painting sometimes, diba?
We're gonna have a tea party on Friday
Uy, tea party. Ay,
with Julia and Basti.
oh.
Bas is the boyfriend of Claudia.
Can you invite us to the tea party, my darling?
Could we go
Can you
there?
invite her?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Don't invite that kind of a girl. Because that kind of girl is not with the tea.
She will
Huwag
keep
maniwala
the
yan.
cup.
Yes. You're beautiful in TV, my darling.
Ayan. So, Jules, bakit feeling mo mini-me mo si Erich? Sinasabi mo daw.
Actually, marami kaming similarities. Like, we're really obsessed with mom. Pareho kaming really close kay mom. Pareho kami ng hair texture, ng hair length. We have the same hair, right, Bunny?